Welcome! Today I'm going to show you how to review an Adobe Captivate course using zipBoard. Paste your Collaborator link into your search bar. If you aren't already logged into zipBoard, you will be brought into a login screen. If you haven't already created an account, select Create an Account, enter the email that you were sent the link to, your name, and a password. Note that this is your own password, no one has created an account for you. If this is your first time using zipBoard, you will be prompted to download the browser extension. So now we can see we have our zipBoard toolbar here. Right now we're in browse mode, which means we can go through the content as we normally would and find something we'd like to review. So let's get started. We can click through the content. Okay, so we'll pause it and we'll toggle to the review tool, and this will open all of the different review tools available in zipBoard. Let's start by adding a comment. We'll select the comment icon here, and then select anywhere on the screen you'd like to add your comment. Select Add, and it will build your comment onto the screen. Great. Now let's try adding something with the pencil tool. Select the pencil, and this will allow you to draw anywhere on the screen. We'll add our comment, and again, select Add. Every time a comment is added, a screenshot is taken to be included with the task for the internal team while they're going through the reviews. Okay, say we're done reviewing this page, go back to Browse, and continue going through the content. Okay, great. And then we want to review something else, we can go back. You can use the arrow tool to point anything on the screen. Make sure to start where you would like the non-arrow end to be. So we'll go like this and add the comment. Lastly, I'll show you the rectangle tool. With the rectangle tool, you can highlight a section of your screen. And then once again, add your comment. Okay, so once we're done our reviews, we can go to the taskbar here and see all of the different comments we've left throughout the review. You want to see where simply click and it'll take you to the comment. If you want to delete a markup, you can select the eraser tool and select the markup. Notice this only deletes the markup, not the comment itself. To delete the comment itself, we can use the trash bin here, or in our taskbar, we can select the trash bin here, and it will delete the comment. Content will look on different devices. Select device mode here, and there you will have the option to view your content in different devices, such as these. Once you're all done with device mode, simply select this X here, and you'll be brought back into your content. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@zipboard.co.